using this from Clinique, Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I love this. I have very oily skin. I do break out. This does not break me out. It does not leave me oily. So I'm just putting this all over. For primer, I'm going to go with this one from Hourglass. I haven't used this in so long because, you know, I try different products. But this one is a must if you have oily skin. This one is the Mineral Primer, oil-free, and it does have some sunscreen. As you can see, they do have like a jumbo size, which I would love to buy. This is expensive. And I will be listing everything that I'm using down below. A little goes a long way. Foundation looks beautiful under this. I use this from Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick. I did do a video trying like 7 or 8 different products from Merit. This is in the color Silk. You can use it all over your face, but I prefer to use it like under my eyes. They do have several shades to choose from. So I'm just going to keep it there. You can conceal wherever you like. I usually just conceal under my eyes. Usually my foundation will conceal any other imperfection on my face. So there you go. Oh, I'm actually getting my eyebrows microbladed again. I think it's been almost 2 years because they're like fading, even though they still look pretty good, but they're fading. I want to try to use this that I haven't used for so long. I really have to like clean out my makeup with basket or something. I have my makeup everywhere, but this specific basket, I need to like clean it out. I don't know if I'll do it on camera. I find things sometimes. So I just want to try this one out. Hopefully it's not like dried out or anything. Look, I have it all the way here, and I do have a backup of this. This was like my go-to. It is a little bit more heavy than what I'm currently using now. The Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Foundation. Use it in shade 3.25. Like not even coming out. That's so weird. So I'm just gonna open it. Ooh, I'm gonna take a brush, dip it in here. I guess apply it like this. I have to remember how to work with this foundation because it's been a while. So I don't remember like if it dries quickly or do I have time to blend. I definitely don't want it to look cakey. So let's start with this. I'm just gonna blend. This will give you great coverage. This is like a really close color to my skin tone. I'll definitely get rid of all the redness. Oh, this is beautiful. Go ahead and before you set your face, just spray. Just use like a setting spray. I'm using this one. This is from Pacifica. I've shown it several times. This has SPF 45. Alright, so we're going heavy on the SPF. Set and Protect Matte Sheer Setting Mist. Vitamin C and C minerals. Give it a good shake. Close your eyes. Kind of a scent, SPF scent. I love that scent, so I don't care, but if that's a problem for you, then I guess skip it or use another one. I like the Mario Badescu sprays as well, either the rose water, the cucumber. I know they have another one. I don't know if it's lavender or orange, but they're fabulous. This powder, just because I believe this one brightens, not brightens, but like gives it a bit of like a white cast, a bit of a white cast. You'll see what I'm talking about. They do have this powder in several different shades, maybe in 3 different shades. If you don't want this one, this isn't translucent. You know I rave about this all the time. It's talc free. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna take a flat top kabuki and I'm just gonna set it, and you'll see it'll like tone it down a bit. Can't tell that much, right? But just a bit. It looks beautiful. It's very finely milled. You don't want anything heavy on top of a heavy foundation like this one. Attempt to do my brows with this here. This is from Merit, and this is the Volumizing Pomade in Blonde. So it looks like this. Let me see. This is a very like minimalistic brand. So it's not like I'm gonna get a lot of color payoff with this. I've only used it like twice. It's not a product that I really gravitate a lot towards. Just using whatever I find, really. I have either this Fenty Beauty one or this Too Faced one. Let's use the Too Faced one just because this Fenty one is so light. I have it in the color In the Sun. I did review it if you want to see what that looks like. Alright, so I'm just taking this and oof, oh my gosh. So just try to like blend. And I just go like all around the outside of my face, like this. For blush, I'm trying to think what to do for blush. Look what I just got. Not just got, like just bought, but I just picked up. Oh my god. I just took from here this one from Milani. I haven't used it so long. It's so pretty. That color. This is in Luminoso. I'm sure you've heard of it because I probably still have some in this brush from that old. Oh my god. This color. I would use this forever, nothing else. It's just the most beautifulest, perfect thing. I have these. This one is the newest one that I have from Kaja. It's in chocolate Dahlia. It's very nice. I did do a video using this. And I also have this one from Kaja. This one is the toasted caramel. So this toasted caramel has like 3 shades and they're all like glitter. Beautiful. I mean, these are to die for. But they're all glitter. I don't like an all glitter look. I like it to be mixed. And then this one, it is mixed. So just the first shade is like shimmer, glitter, whatever you call it. And then these two are matte. So I plan to combine them both. I'm going to start with this one here from the chocolate Dahlia trio from Kaja. Just putting some, I'm going to do something really quick, okay? You can make it look so nice with these trio palettes, great for traveling. So I'm just putting it like in the crease, working it a bit in and just blending up. Color is a bit darker, which we will use like in the outer corner again. Ooh, oh, that's what I did. I think I went in with the dark one, so we're gonna have to do the same here now. No worries, this is gonna look so pretty, you'll see. So I'm just making sure to blend really well. Use a bit of this Tarte. You know, I just love to apply this. You don't have to, but it just makes the color stand out so much more. I'm taking this Tarte concealer, Shape Tape concealer. I like to use my concealers really light because I usually use them to like brighten the under eye, to cut the crease. It's best to look down when you're doing this. So you see, it was a nice little flat brush. This one is from She Glam, I believe. I did a video with them a while back. She Glam is Shein's makeup brand. Right now I'm thinking like, what shade should we use from here? They're all so beautiful. See, if you want to keep it like everything nice and dark, look how nice that one is. Let's go with this one just because it's so bright. Take this one. This is the 239 from MAC. I'm gonna take it here. You can wet your brush if you want for this. Start just pressing this. Just gonna go over every concealer spot unless you want to use 2 different shades. So it's looking something like this. Now you don't want to leave it like that, right? You can, but you don't want to. My blending brush again. Maybe you want to go with the smaller one if you have, just so you're a bit more precise. I'm going to take this shade, which is not the same one we put in the outer corner. Is this one, which we had started with. I'm going to place that where that line is, so we don't have any harsh separation. Your powder brush and just softly get rid of all that fallout. This shade, very gently You always have to go back with your finger if you want this to really pop. You're gonna press. I'm gonna line my eyes with this one from Maybelline, Hyper Easy. Beautiful pen. I'm using this new waterproof mascara from Lancome. Is the Idol mascara. Look how beautiful and long these lashes are looking. I may add some lashes. I just may, but just in case you don't like lashes, this is how they look. This is what you would get. Mykonos lashes. I just have to go do this hair and I'll be right back. Finally, my hair is done. I feel so bad that I chopped like all this chunk, but my hair is fried, guys. I know you can see it in the videos. My hair is so fried, and obviously I'm not gonna chop all the way here, but yeah, I'm trying to chop as much as I can. But I see my older videos and I miss my hair so much. I feel like we have to do something to these lips. I don't know why I was really wanting like a red lip. I know that would be like a lot. Maybe this would be like a night out look. I'm just gonna apply. This is the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick and the color Beso, like a whip formula. Just going to zoom in so you can see everything. I hope you enjoyed this quick get ready with me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave a playlist of all the other looks that I have done. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.